Asheboro, North Carolina, pressure washing. If you are looking for reliable pressure washing in Asheboro, North Carolina, this video walks you through everything you need to know about choosing the right service provider, understanding the process, and maximizing results for your property. We're proud to offer our pressure washing services in Asheboro, North Carolina's historic downtown area, helping businesses like yours maintain a clean and welcoming atmosphere for customers. From driveways to sidewalks, our team uses specialized equipment to remove tough dirt and grime, ensuring your property looks its best all year round without the hassle of manual scrubbing. We're locally owned and operated, serving homeowners in Asheboro, North Carolina's surrounding neighborhoods with reliable, affordable pressure washing solutions that fit any budget or schedule. Our crew is trained to handle a variety of surfaces, from concrete patios to metal fences, making us your go-to solution for any exterior cleaning needs you may have in the area. We also offer specialized services like gutter cleaning and roof power washing, helping Asheboro, North Carolina residents maintain their homes' exteriors and ensure they stay safe and secure year-round. Our team uses environmentally friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for residents, pets, and the environment, ensuring a clean surface without harming local wildlife in Asheboro, North Carolina. We take extra care to prevent damage to surfaces, using gentle pressure settings and carefully positioning our equipment to avoid stripping away existing paint or coatings. In Asheboro, NC's hot summer months, dirt and grime can build up quickly, making it difficult for lawns to breathe. Our pressure washing services help improve air circulation and reduce allergens. Regular cleaning can help extend the life of outdoor furniture and other surfaces, keeping them looking like new for years to come with our reliable pressure washing services. Pressure washing can make your home's exterior look clean and well-maintained, removing dirt, grime, and mildew that can damage surfaces and affect its overall appearance. If you are looking for pressure washing in Asheboro, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates and scheduling for your home or business. Call us today. Click the link below to learn more